We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. And today we're going to be looking at this white enclosed trailer. It is 8.5 by 20 foot. It is a tandem axle trailer and it has two 5,200 pound axles. It comes with 15-inch tires and rims. Coming around back is the spring assisted loading ramp that is made of heavy duty plywood. It is wired with LED lights. The inside is 6.5 feet tall with plywood flooring and interior. It does have a side door. The light switch here, that goes to your dome light. It does also have a roof vent. There are rings built in. This is an aluminum screwed exterior. And the 2,000 pound jack. This trailer does have 2 foot of the ATP stone guard. And that is the 8.5 by 20 foot white enclosed trailer.